Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Gmail app. So after open, you just need to select on the top right hand corner your profile icon. So here you can see, right now select manage your Google account, and right now select security and sign in, and after that you just need to scroll down, and here you just need to select manage all device. So here you just need to check this device is my device, and this device is others device. So that's why I'm just going to remove this device from my Gmail. So just tap it, and right now you can see there have a option sign out. Simply select sign out and confirm it, sign out. So here you can see this device already removed from my Gmail account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.